Jackson Pollock, born January 28, 1912, Cody, Wyoming, U.S. He died on August 11, 1956, East Hampton, New York. American painter who was leading exponent of abstract expressionism and art movement characterized by the free associative gestures and paint, sometimes referred to as action painting during his lifetime. He received widespread publicity and serious recognition for the radical poured or drip technique he used to create his major works among his contemporaries. He was respected for his deeply personal and totally uncompromising commitment to the art of painting. Autumn Rhythm number 30, made in October of 1950, the artist is at the height of his powers. He is well known at this point. The article has just happened as being well received. Now in this non-representational picture, thin paint was applied on prime and stretched canvas that laid flat on the floor. Rather than being propped on an easel, paint will be poured, dribbled, scrambled, flecked, and splattered. The pigment being applied in this very unorthodox methods, and the artist using house paint, which is going to make life a lot more difficult when we try and prove that what is or isn't. Jackson Pollock uses sticks, trowels, and knives insert anything, which comprise of intricate schemes of line. This image, the surface is equally significant. The work is really a record of its process of how it came into being. It's a dynamic visual sensation. In this art, we can see something buoyant, heavy, graceful, arcing, swirling. The essence of art is that line of thought. Because our field of vision being filled with a painting, we can notice different emotions. We can start see things in the paintings. Pollock tried to draw our own experience, our own interpretations in a sense of our own subconscious and unconscious thoughts. When we look at this kind of painting, Autumn Rhythm, we can see something different. The idea is to bring out the purest form of creativity by ignoring cultural and historical influences. When we look at Autumn Rhythm, we now understand that the artist did not preconceive the end result. Each line, each splatter comes from within, not deliberate, not random, but something in between. Autumn Rhythm for me is complicated painting because I feel I might be projecting some of my own darkness into this painting. When I look this kind of painting, I can only say that it has a dynamic visual rhythms and sensations, buoyant, heavy, graceful, arcing, swirling, pulling lines of color. Jackson Pollock drip paint onto canvas to convey the emotions movement. The work of Jackson Pollock is described as unorganized explosions of random energy and therefore meaningless. His work is really unintelligible. Autumn Rhythm painting, the artist places a very large canvas on the floor, then rapidly paint by walking around it. Autumn Rhythm understand that we are looking at the chaotic mayhem of leaves and branches, drifting in the wind as temperature slowly dropping. Pollock works of Autumn Rhythm is an organized explosions of random energy but doesn't make it meaningless. Autumn Rhythm painting give us opportunity of traveling to our own subconscious in every element in the painting.